Hello everyone, welcome in my channel Career in IT, and this is our third lecture in which I am going to tell you about order by keyword. I have taught you about the this and or operators, and that today I am going to teach you the order by keyword. So what is order by keyword? Order by keyword is used to sort the result set, like in ascending or descending order. If we have to sort our order, like in order wise, like we have to sort PID by order, then we can sort in ascending or descending order. So order by keyword sort records in ascending order by default. By default it is set to ascending order, and if we have to show our descending order keyword, so we have to use our syntax as this, ascending or descending. So this is our whole query, like select the column name from the table name, order by column name, where ascending or descending. Okay, so let's move forward. So this is our example for order by keyword. This is our table person, and where this is our query. Select star from person, order by last name. So I have told you that order by is by default set to ascending order. Okay, so select all from person, order by last name. So on the basis of last name, it will sort all the orders. Okay, now let's see order by descending example. So this is our query. Select star from person, order by last name descending. So we have taken last name descending. So it will take from last, and it will set by last name, like PID will be set by last name. Okay. So let's see our insert into statement. So what insert into statement does? Insert into statement is used to insert new record in the table, or it is used to insert new row in our table. Okay. So we are writing as insert into. It is possible that we can insert our data in two ways. First is our this way to insert our data. Second is our this way to insert our data. So we can write insert into table name, and only we can give values. This values of first column header, second column header, and this is of third column header values. Like this we can give, or we can insert our values like this. Insert into our table name and column name, like column header we can write here, like PID, last name, first name, and the values. First value is first column name value, second value is second column name value, and the third value is third column name value. Like this we can set our data. So let's see one example here. So this is our first example of insert into dataset. This is our table person. This is our data. So we want to set one more row in our table, person table. So here we wrote insert into persons, and only we have taken values. So we are not taking any header, just we are taking the values. So it will insert which is in front of this, like 4 will be inserted in this, this will be inserted in this, Johan will be inserted in first name, and this will be inserted in address, and this will be inserted in this city. Okay, so this is our result, final result, which we will get in our SQL. Okay. So if we want to insert any data in a specific column, then also we can do that. So let's see one example that we want to insert in a specific column. So we have taken insert into table name person. Okay, and this is PID, that is we are taking column name, and last name is column name and first name. So we are going to insert data in these three columns, and we have taken value as 5 as PID, this as last name, Jacob as first name. So this is our final result which will be inserted. So next let's see about the update statement. What update statement does? Update statement is used to update record in our table. Okay, when we have to update any record, when we have to update any rows, then we can use the update statement. So update statement is used to update the existing record in the table. Like we have different data, okay, in the table, and we want to update any data, so that we can use this update statement. So this is our syntax: update table name, set column name is equal to value, commas, or column 2 is equal to value, where some column is equal to some values. So this is our syntax we can use. And this is very important note, like it is saying, if we are using update statement, then we have to use where clause, because if we will not use where clause, then all the column data will be updated. Okay, so we have to use where clause when we are updating our data. So let's see our update example. So this is our table person. Okay, so let's see the example. This is our table person and this is our data. Now what we want? We want to update our address and the city, because I have told that we can update any data which is blank. Okay, or which no, which is blank, as well as if we want to change any data, then we can use this. So we are writing update person, this is our table name, set address is equal to this. Okay, address is equal to, here we are writing, and the city is equal to this, where last name is this, okay, and first name is Jacob. So in this row it will be updated. So now here you can see the result. This is our result which we will get in our from this query. So here this is our SQL update warning. What it is saying: be careful while updating your records. If we will not use where clause, then the whole thing will be updated, like you can see here. So see, update person, like table name is our person, set address is equal to this, and city is equal to sadness. So if we use like this, and here we are not using where clause, so all the address and all the city will be updated. So we have to not do this mistake. Along with update statement, we have to use where clause. So let's see the delete statement. So delete statement is used to delete the record from the table. Okay, or it is used to delete row in the table. So this is our statement syntax: delete from the table name, where some column is equal to some values. Okay, so this is our important note, that with the delete syntax, always we have to use where clause, otherwise the whole data will be deleted, all the records will be deleted. So this is our example for delete statement. This is our table person, and we want to delete the person, we want to delete from the person this name. First name is Jacob, and the last name is Tasmin from the person. So here we are writing delete from person, where last name is this and first name is this. So the whole row will be deleted. Okay, so you can see a result. Okay, now when we have to delete all the records, means all the data, then we can write delete from table name. Like we have to delete all the data from the table person, so we can write delete from person, or we can write delete star from person. Like this we can use for deleting all the rows. Okay, so this SQL advance I will teach you tomorrow. So how is my lecture for today? So please let me know in comment box. If you have any doubt, you can pin me in comment box, and please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.